everyone, I am Mark Cariaga and talagang I'm with Prime family right now and totoo lang, grabe yung realization namin because unang-una, I've been in the industry of network marketing for 31 years. Ang pinakamaganda nito, sa ganda ng marketing plan, sa ganda ng product, sa strong financial backbone ng Prime. Ready siya para sa mga taong tulad natin. Ready siya. Yung kinita namin for how many years? For 30 years. For 30 years. Dito probably 1 year lang kinita na natin. Grabe po. At saka sabi ko nga, alam mo, we don't compare. Pero alam mo, kaibigan din natin yung makakilala natin sa industriya. Pero dito mo ito matindi. Putok na yung company nila. And yet, di ba, ang trap distributor na 1 million, 2 million a month. So sa atin dito, hindi ba tayo putok? Hindi ba nag-explode ang Prime? Pero ang top distributor, 16 million a month.
Alam mo, nakaka-excite. 1 star pa lang po ako. Ito na yung mga
Ay, grabe! Grabe talaga! Grabe si Prime! Gagaling! Maraming gumagaling sa product at saka syempre po, maraming nagbago ang buhay.
Alright, ano pa hinihintay niyo mga kabutol, mga kaibigan, mga ka-Prime? Ito lang yun. Hindi na mapigilan kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon. Marami natutulungan, marami nagbabago buhay. Ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo. Kung pwede naman ngayon, bakit pagbubukas mo pa?
Guys, as you know, it's a sin not to share. iTeracare. So ano bang hinihintay nyo? Be a blessing, okay? Wala nang patupik-tupik pa because if not you, who? If not now, when? Let's do Prime!
Okay, maybe isa ka po sa mga nagsasuffer from health condition, itry nyo pong tignan yung iTeracare kasi ang dami po namin nakita, ang dami po namin na witness na natulungan ng iTeracare.
Hi, so I was able to earn same ng kinikita ko nung nagbabarko pa ako. So I am an officer, marine engineer officer on board sa isang tanker and international vessel. So to tell you mga kabaro no, and isang OFW dito, because of iTeracare, because of Prime International, nakuha ko yung dollars na kinikita ko rin doon. And ang good news, kasama ko pa yung family ko and nahanap ko pa yung right community. And ano pa yung pinaka-amazing, natulungan ko yung mama ko, my family. It's like you are hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Health and wealth, and that's one of the most important thing sa tao. So yun lang, and I'm excited na magkaroon ka rin itong device na to and makuha mo ring opportunity na para sa'yo. So see you!
I just want to invite you be part of this huge business which is Prime International. You know, minsan-minsan lang tayo magkaroon ng ganitong opportunity to really be part of a company that is making a difference in this world. To be honest, bihira lang kasi magkaroon ng ganitong product. It's really a product that comes out 10, 20 years.
Yeah.
No, hindi siya yung lagi-lagi.
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime. Kumbaga, if you have the chance to find out about the product, you have to get it, you have to use it. But what's more important is be part of the business. If you feel that you need this, and I believe you need this 100%, this is for you. So join us, be part of this Prime business, and I hope to see you at the top.
So ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-iTeracare ka na kasi ang iTeracare a day keeps the doctor away.